What's the meaning of codicil? Codicil. Codicil.
Codicil. Codicil. A codicil is a legal document that modifies, adds to or revokes part of an existing will. It is often used to update a will without having to rewrite the entire document. A codicil must be properly executed and witnessed in order to be legally binding. The result of creating a codicil can be to clarify any ambiguities in the original will, add or remove beneficiaries, or make other changes to the estate plan. Codicils can be helpful tools for ensuring that a person's wishes are carried out, even after they have passed away.